Welcome to this tutorial. How to contact Instagram. Are you having trouble with your Instagram account and need to reach out to the support team? In this video, we will show you how to contact Instagram, including the different methods of support available and what information you'll need to provide. Don't let account issues hold you back from fully utilizing the platform. Let's get started and get your issue resolved. Open Instagram in your desktop web browser. Type your Instagram username and password and then click on the Login button. Check for an inappropriate comment on your post or any other's post. For demo purposes, I am going to show the steps. Click on the View All Comments link below the post. Look for a comment that you want to report to Instagram. Click on the 3 horizontal dots below the comment. Click on the report and select a reason for reporting from the available options. Like here, I am selecting the It's Spam option. We have successfully reported a comment. Click on the Close button. Let's see another way to contact Instagram. Type help.instagram.com in the web address bar and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Click on the Privacy, Security, and Reporting option from the left panel. Click on How to report things from the Given Below option. Here you will find many reason options to report a post. Select a report option and then click on the Fill in this form link. Fill in all the required details in the report form. And then click on the Send button. See? This wasn't hard at all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.